VSOONTECH is an innovative company based in Guangzhou and Shenzhen. Its parent company, iPmacro, was established in 2007 with 4 subsidiaries: Guangzhou iPmacro Communication Systems Company Limited, the Center of R&D, e-commerce, and overseas marketing; VSOONTECH Guangzhou Electronics Co Limited, the factory of the product lines; Shenzhen QIANHAI VSOONTECH Information Technology Company Limited, the Shenzhen office for hardware development, domestic marketing; VSOONTECH Electronics Company Limited, the Hong Kong offshore company. VSOONTECH is specialized in AI products with 12 years manufacturing experience of DLP projectors, voice translators, Android TV boxes, voice remote controllers, Wi-Fi display receivers, all products with certifications like CE, FCC, and ROSE. The factory is located in the manufacturing center of Guangzhou, equipped with dozens of auto robots, 3 floors, 6,000 square meters, which outputs 100,000 sets monthly with 100% quality checking. The R&D office is located in the center of Guangzhou University Town, surrounded by the top 10 universities in Guangdong, and there are more than 50 R&D engineers working on the hardware and software development. VSOONTECH provides OEM, ODM services for hardware like silk screen print and packaging, for software like to put your logo, video, and customize your own user interface. There is an English-speaking team, including sales and engineers, providing 7 days and 24-hour services. VSOONTECH attends exhibitions like Global Sources Electronics Show in Hong Kong and Indonesia. VSOONTECH's vision is to create a new lifestyle with smart home. For further details, contact us today.